In 2022, we had an average incident investigation day of 21 days. In 2023, that average day went down to 14 days. In 2024, it was down to 7. My name is Derek Boyd. I am the Global Environmental Health and Safety Director for Greenheck Fan Corporation. Ultimately, our vision is to really bring the best people to Greenheck Group, understand our customers' needs, exceed their expectations, and make positive differences in the communities that we serve. Today, Greenheck consists of about 7 particular consumer brands. We're globally recognized for innovation and excellence in the HVAC and food service markets. In general, Greenheck Group is really a global company that designs, manufactures, and supplies air movement, control, and conditioning equipment for commercial, institutional, industrial applications. We tripled in size in 8 years. And with that type of growth, the size and the expertise that we needed was something that was a big driver towards Intelex. Through really utilizing Microsoft products with an S, attempting to capture incident and injury data existed. We worked hard at it. It was a lot of work. The data was manually manipulated and analyzed for trends, and it would take a significant effort from myself, my risk analyst, and others. We would really get sidetracked in various types of report requests. Our logs from a regulatory perspective were done manually and tracked through spreadsheets and then submitted. Essentially, risk management was manual and being accomplished through brute force efforts that were exhausting. We used a third-party partner that specialized in this space, and they spent a lot of time helping us understand if you invested up front in someone that knows the space of safety management systems and cloud-based opportunities beyond just the spreadsheeting we were doing, it would be beneficial. And that investment was very clear to us. They helped us really assist selecting that right safety management system in Intelex for our needs. We worked with them and we developed a rigorous decision logic, kind of a rating process that forced ranked several different vendors in the space that ultimately led us to Intelex. Allowing us to trial the platform before really committing was a key. And that's something that led us and helped us decide Intelex was right for us. Without that sandbox environment, that type of experience, it would have been difficult to select it simply based on videos or just sales pitches. But we were able to play in the space, and that helped us immensely. And really, mostly, the number one part of our selection process for Intelex was the ease of use. With the mobile app, the online version, and the ability to build a platform with various applications on our terms as we grew. We are trying to have all of our eggs in the Intelex basket because we don't want to bog down the process. We know the power and the capabilities that Intelex has brought to our organization in a very short period of time. And we're continuing to figure out what are additional ways we can utilize Intelex. We have a 76-year-old company, and trying to get someone to go from paper and pen where they were pretty comfortable, or something that has accountability to it and a little bit of intelligence built into it to hold people accountable and becomes very visual and visible. We just ended our safest year in company history in 2024 based on OSHA total recordable injury rates. We had about a 26% improvement from last year to this year, and this year was 2024 was about 22% better than any of our safest years. In 2022, we had an average incident investigation day of 21 days. In 2023, that average day went down to 14 days. In 2024, it was down to 7. And that's because we are measuring that in Intelex in front of our leadership. So if you can do the fast math, that's a 50% reduction 2 years in a row. Not sure that we'll get a 50% reduction in 2025 down to 3.5 days, but we're really excited that the visibility of dashboards and the visibility of what Intelex has been able to bring to our company is driving the desired results that we're looking for, essentially to eliminate those repeat injuries and incidents from happening again at Greenheck. This is the first time in our company history we've been able to demonstrate trends and data to the level of detail we can today. It is literally being part of changing our company history.